everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are just going to jump right into today's video. Yes, I know I probably scared y'all, but we are starting off on a 10-day-old wash and go. Yes, your girl got caught up in the snow, the rain, whatever Mother Nature was giving us out there. I got caught up in it. And I just been, just been kind of trifling. But we are going to turn this 10-day-old wash and go into a fine apple, the finest apple you have ever seen. And it's just going to sit right up on top of our head like a crown. So let's get to it. We are going to start off using some moisturizer. It could be water, aloe vera juice. We don't discriminate. Whatever you want to put in your bottle, just put it up in there because we're going to need some moisture up in his head. Next, you are going to need a bristle brush. Just lay down them curls. We want them curls to lay nice and flat. And you're going to need a hair tie. Preferably not the one with the little metal piece. And look, I know y'all ain't seen Boo Boo in so long. But, I am a creature of habit. If you do good by me, I'm going to do good by you. You be my ride or die. You can always count on me. I will never leave your side. But, yeah, in a whole another story, we are going to use our moisturizer, water, aloe vera juice, like I said, whatever you want to use. And we're going to put that all around the perimeter of our hair. We want to make sure that, we use this moisture to touch a lot of those strands in the front because our hair is like really dry. This 10-day-old wash and go, girls and guys, I mean, it is what it is. It be like that sometimes, life happens. So I am just going to spray it all around the front, spray it all around the back. Make sure you get the nape of that neck. Yeah. So now I'm just going to use my hands and kind of like use my fingers, hands, same thing. I'm going to use that and just make sure I push the water all the way through. I'm just touching the perimeter of my hair. I'm not putting any moisture. Oh, what the hell was that in the back of my head? Okay. Anywho, we just going to keep on moving it like we ain't being recorded or nothing, but we just going to use our fingers and push that water through the perimeter of our hair. I'm not going to disturb the curls or what is left of curls, in my hair, but we just moisturizing the perimeter. Y'all see. Y'all see how I must feel guilty or something because I just keep pushing Boo up in the camera, eco style, because I've been kind of cheating with the wet line, but eco stylist, you know how we do, Boo. So I'm just going to take some of my little eco styler, whatever gel y'all prefer to use. If you want to use wet line, go ahead, do you. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So I'm going to take eco and I'm going to smack it all around the perimeter of my hair where I put, hold up, first of all, that's not a bald spot that y'all see. That's my part from my wash and go. It's probably permanent because it's been there for like 10, 15, 20 days. But yeah, that's not a bald spot. That's just my part. So we're going to take that and we're going to smooth the gel in all around. I like the words with this voiceover shit, but I just love it. I know y'all probably like, what is this girl talking about? I'm the worst at voiceovers, but y'all just going to hear me talk today. So after applying the gel, I'm just going to take a little bit more water and add it to the perimeter of my head. Because evidently this 10-day-old wash and go dry as hell. And, that's just what I need to do to get it laid the way I want to lay. We want to lay it all the way down. So we're going to take the bristle brush and we just going to, smooth it on out. You know what? Why I have y'all on here? I might as well say it because y'all supposed to be my curl friends, and ain't nobody tell me in these last couple of videos that I still had a spot of blonde hair in the back of my head. Nobody told me, and I'm not even going to show y'all. I'm not even going to pull it out because y'all supposed to have my back like I have y'all back, and nobody told me that I still had some damn blonde in the back of my head. But you probably can't even tell. So I'm just going to use these good fingers of mine and I'm going to grab all this hair. Hopefully I don't catch arthritis and nothing like that. And I'm just going to grip it. I'm trying to get all of it up into a ponytail. It's not going to be like flat, flat, if that's even a thing. But we just going to smooth it out the best we can. All right now, so don't be coming to my channel acting all brand new. Y'all know y'all put y'all little hair tie in y'all mouth just like that, to loop it up twice so you can get that good tight, not super tight, but a tight ponytail so it's not moving all over the place. But yeah, that's just what I had to do, and it works. So don't judge me. All right, so I don't want y'all to be fooled by the way I'm doing this pineapple, okay? So I may be looking like I'm wrapping this 3 times, but this is not gonna last all day because I'm not trying to have no headache, okay? Normally I like to have them nice and loose, but for the sake of this video and because I'm trying to be fine at this time, hour of the day, I'm gonna make it a little tight. It ain't gonna stay tight like this all day. I don't even know. It's not gonna work because I'm no, it's not gonna happen. So you just want to take your fingers and tease your little curls, however you want to make them. Swing them to the left, swing them to the right. You could keep it straight down in the middle, however you want to do it. So I'm doing all this, and then I realized, like, damn, girl, you ain't even do your baby hairs. So I'm just going to swoop it to the side and get that hair out the way so I can tame my baby hairs. Because I think this one hit me. Yep, right there. So yeah, just had to move those curls out the way, and I'm going to take some of my Equal Styler gel. And a lot of y'all had something to say about my toothbrush that I use, because I'm pretty sure before they came out with all these little tools and gadgets, y'all was using toothbrush. So just cut it out. But I did invest into one of these little things, little edge control tools. But yeah, I'm just gonna swoop my edges a little bit. Now, keep in mind my mirror is kind of far from me, so I can't really see what I'm doing. This is really hard to do on camera. So bear with the edges, okay? She making it work. She gonna make it work. So this was my first time using this little tool. I don't even know what it's called, but the little edge tool. This is my first time using this, and I'm looking, hold up. Am I thinning on the side? What is going on? But no, I think it was just the way that I swooped it. I didn't swoop it too good. But she came through. She came through, she got it together, and she just brushed it back up into the ponytail, and everything was good. We in a green. It laid nice and good. And I'm just going to use a little bit more Eco Styler gel and do the other side. Oh, I guess she wanted to just check and make sure it was still good. But yeah, so I'm just going to do that side, and I'm not going to, do the most because my curls is going to cover it, but we just going to lay it down a little bit just in case the wind blow, I want edges on this side to be looking kind of rough. Now, I know I can't be the only one to struggle with this. I don't know when I get to the top of my head whether I want my baby hairs to go left or right. It's just a struggle for me because it's like some of them be trying to overpower the other ones in the front, and I don't be wanting to look like a toddler. I just want a little bit. Just keep it at a minimum. Not a lot of baby hairs. Just a little, just a little feet, a little toe. All right, so I'm just going to use my fingers, and I'm going to position my ponytail how I want it to be. Sometimes I like the curls to fall to the left. Sometimes I like them to fall to the right. But yeah, we just, gonna make it do what it do. So I bet a lot of y'all thought that this was the end of the video. Yeah, I did too. But yeah, no, it wasn't the end. I decided to bring out the little curls, on the side just to make the pineapple just a little bit more fine. So I took a little bit of Eco Styler gel on the tips of my finger, and I'm going to swirl my hair around my fingers like so. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.